All electrical connections must be in accordance with local codes, ordinances, and the National Electric Code. This product operates on 120-volt AC. Always confirm the maximum wattage of the fixture does not exceed the maximum wattage of the circuit it is connected to. If you are unfamiliar with methods of installing electrical wiring, secure the services of a qualified licensed electrician. Before installation, turn off power at main fuse box or disconnect power plug from outlet. Follow all instructions in the video. Jesco Lighting Group, LLC shall not be responsible or liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from the installation or use of Jesco lighting products as demonstrated in this video. By proceeding with the installation, you acknowledge and accept these terms and release. In this video, we will demonstrate several installation examples of the DL-AC-FLEX2-DIM4A, a 0 to 10 volt dimming interface that allows the INFINA LED strip to dim using a standard 0 to 10 volt wall dimmer. Additionally, we will install the DL-AC-FLEX2-HWSPM, a hardwire surge protection module that safeguards both the DL-AC-FLEX2-DIM4A and the INFINA LED strip against power surges. These examples serve as references only. There are multiple ways to install these products, so always follow the National Electrical Code and local regulations for proper electrical installation. Each INFINA run comes with a pre-attached hardwire surge module on the power feed cable. Before installation, check the product label for electrical ratings to ensure the circuit breaker or dimmer can support the run. The DL-AC-FLEX2-DIM4A supports runs up to 500 watts. Failure to install the hardwire surge module will void the warranty. Before beginning installation, turn off the main circuit breaker to prevent electrical hazards. If necessary, temporarily disconnect the hardwire surge module to facilitate installation. The hardwire power feed cable may be trimmed to the desired length before inserting it into the junction box. In this first installation example, we use a single-gang switch box connected to a 4x4, 2-inch deep junction box via a conduit with an access entrance. The conduit can be replaced with a single-gang junction box if needed. All wiring is provided by a third party. Install the dimmer in the switch box according to the manufacturer's instructions. In this example, the dimmer does not require a neutral wire. Connect the hot supply wire to the dimmer's hot input terminal. A black wire is connected from the dimmer's hot output terminal to the conduit with an access entrance. The neutral supply wire is connected to a white pass-through wire. Ground wires are joined together and secured to the dimmer's ground screw. The dimming wires are connected, purple to purple, and gray or pink to gray or pink. The hardwire surge protection module is installed within the conduit with an access entrance. The black wire from the dimmer's output terminal is connected to the black input wire of the surge module. The white neutral wire from the switch box is connected to the neutral input wire of the surge module, and all grounding wires are connected together. Hot and neutral pass-through wires from the surge module are then routed to the 4x4 junction box. At the 4x4 junction box, a knockout is punched out, and a cord strain relief bushing is installed. The power feed cable is inserted through the bushing. The black wire from surge protection module's output is connected to the live terminal marked L and secured. The neutral wire from the surge protection module's output and the INFINA LED strip's neutral wire are connected to the neutral terminal N and secured. The INFINA LED strip's hot wire is inserted into the L1 terminal and secured. The dimming wires are connected, purple to the plus terminal and gray or pink to the minus terminal. The circuit breaker is turned on to test the wiring. If the INFINA LED strip responds to the dimmer, the dimming interface is secured to the 4x4 junction box with screws. The conduit access entrance is closed with a cover plate and secured. The INFINA LED strip is now ready for mounting. In the second example, a single-gang switch box is used with a single-gang extender to a 4x4, 2-inch deep junction box. The hardwire surge module is installed behind the 0 to 10 volt dimmer. The dimmer is installed according to the instruction manual, followed by the hardwire surge protection module. Once all wires are connected and secured, the surge module and excess wiring are carefully tucked into the bottom of the switch box. At the 4x4 junction box, a knockout is punched out, and a cord strain relief bushing is installed. The power feed cable is inserted through the cord strain relief bushing. The black wire from the surge protection module's output is connected to the live terminal marked L and secured. The neutral wire from the surge protection module's output and the INFINA LED strips neutral wire are connected to the neutral terminal N and secured. The INFINA LED strips hot wire is inserted into the L1 terminal and secured. The dimming wires are connected, purple to the plus terminal and gray or pink to the minus terminal. The circuit breaker is turned on to test the system. Once verified, all components are secured. The INFINA LED strip is now ready for mounting. In the third example, the DL-AC-FLEX2-DIM4A and INFINA LED strip remain installed in the 4x4, 2-inch deep junction boxes from the previous installation. The single gang switch box is replaced with a 4x4, 2-inch deep junction box and a mud ring, with the Hardwire surge module installed behind the dimmer. The dimmer is installed per the instruction manual, followed by the Hardwire surge protection module. The surge module and wiring are carefully tucked to one side of the 4x4 junction box, and the dimmer is mounted onto the mud ring. The circuit breaker is turned on to test the wiring. Once all connections are confirmed, the dimming interface is secured. The INFINA LED strip is now ready for mounting. This concludes the installation video. Thank you for watching.